Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. It's very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Overall dimensions 50 inches long by 38 inches wide by 48 inches high. Weighs roughly 1,100 pounds. Does have the controls on the cabinet door here. There they are. And take a look at this side as well. And we'll now shut the door and we will turn it on so you can see and hear it go. And the bolts go up. Take a look at the O-scope wave there. Very nice, quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.